Use a forklift to move the printer to an open area. Please keep the wooden crate, do not discard it. Unbox the wooden crate. Assemble the base frame. Lift the leveling feet to ensure smooth printer movement. Place the purifier inside the base frame first, spare a space for the tray. Install the pipe adapter on the purifier. Use a forklift to position the printer's main body on the base frame. Ensure that the 4 supporting feet are aligned securely. Move the purifier onto the tray. Secure fixing bars on both sides of purifier with screws. Using a pipe to connect the purifier and oven. The installation of printer's main body is finished. Install the ink supply system. Detach the back plate. Remove the remaining covers. Install the ink supply system. Connect the copper wires together as labeled. Connect the ink filter to the ink bottle accordingly. Connect W1 to the white ink bottle. Connect W2 to the reflux tube. Install the covers for ink supply system. Install the film roll holder on the back of printer. Fix the autofilm take-up system with screws. Install the core in the take-up system. Plug in the main power cable. Plug in the remaining cables in turn. Turn on the main switch. Connect printer and computer with network cable. Ensure it has a gigabit Ethernet port on computer. Turn on the printer. Remove the screws. Turn off the printer and unplug the cable. Press the power button to discharge any residual energy. Remove the housing. Remove the tape wrapped around the ribbon cables. Remove the screws on the ink circulation splitter and holder. Plug in the ribbon cables into the printhead in turn. Fix the ink damper base with screws. Repeat the previous operation. Place ink dampers in the correct order. Shake the ink bottles about 15 times before adding. Pull ink into damper using a clean syringe until it is filled. Remove excess ink into the waste ink tank. Repeat the previous operation. Load the film roll and make sure print side up. Press up to lift the pinch roller. Lay the film flat on the platform. Press down to lower the pinch roller. Secure two sides of the film with media clips. Tighten the screw knob to secure the film roll. Tighten the tension of the damper. Adjust the leveling feet to lift the casters off the ground. Check with a bubble level to make sure all 4 feet are level. Download software before using the OtterPro DTF printer. Install DTF control software. The installation is complete. Install the RIP software. Insert the dongle and start to use the printer. Make sure both softwares are open during printing operations. Tick the checkbox and keep the values unchanged. When the button turns green, indicating that the connection is successful, press Test to perform the printhead test. Pick up the end of the film and extend it to the oven. Press suction button to attach the film to the oven. Always keep an eye on the film during printing. Spread the powder on the film and the shaking system. Press Enter to activate the powder shaking and drying system. Turn on the purifier before melting powder. Lower the rod to secure the film. Secure the film onto the center of the core with tape. Press the button to activate the auto take-up system. All-in-one OtterPro DTF printer delivers one-stop solutions for your DTF projects. Scan the QR code for additional OtterPro DTF maintenance tutorials.